How to fix iOS 17 battery draining issue on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings. Here we go. Now scroll down, hit towards the option of General. Now go to the option Background App Refresh, open it. Now at the top you'll see the option of Background App Refresh, open it and set it to off. Now heading towards next option, you have to head back to the main page of settings, go to the option display and brightness, open it. Now you have to set your device appearance to the dark. Also use minimum level of brightness for your device and then you can head back to the main page of settings. Now heading towards next option, you have to scroll down, go to the option of privacy and security. At the top you'll see the option of location services, open this option, toggle off for this option of location services. Tap on turn off. Now go back, go to the option notifications. Now disable notifications for unnecessary apps. You can toggle off notifications for those apps that you don't use. Likewise, head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and go to the option of battery. You will see the option of low power mode. Toggle on for this option. This will temporarily reduce background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. Applying all of these solutions, you can fix iOS 17 battery draining issue. So this was all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.